How to fix Instagram confirmation code problem easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone like this, go to the apps manager and then go to the apps right here and wait a few seconds. Right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram, click on it, and now all what you have to do here is very simple. Just click on this force stop option and then go to the storage and click on it. And now all what you have to do is very simple. Just click on clear data like this. And after that, all what you have to do now is very simple and easy. Just restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.